Welcome to my YouTube channel, folks. So today's question is sort color. Sorry about yesterday. So yesterday's question is pretty basic problem on basic on binary search. We just have to implement one of the template of binary search. So let's focus on today's problem, that is sort color. So the question is, given an array with n objects colored red, white, blue, sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the color in order red, white or blue. So we will use integer 0 to red, 1 to white, 2 to blue. So basically what the question says, we have to sort this array so that 0 will be in the first part of the array, 1 will be in the middle part of the array, and 2 will be in the last part of the array. So how can we solve this question? Let's think about some sorting algorithms. So quick sort. So partition function of the quick sort, we can use that for this problem. So by the help of partition function, we can easily solve this question in time complexity of O of n. So what we can do, we can assign two variables at the point of the starting of the array, then another variable to the end of the array, last point of the array, last element of the array, and then we just have to iterate through the elements of array, and if we find n is 0, then we have to swap it to the starting of the array. If we find 1, we just have to increment our current index because we don't have to change the position of 1. If we find any 2, then we have to swap it to the last of the array. So 2 will be in the last position, 1 will be in the middle position, 0 will be in the first position. So let's see this algorithm or in code. So we need to initialize left, that is starting of starting variable, then I is equal to 0, that is going to iterate through the array, then right, that is the last element of the array. So we have to iterate through I is equal less than right. So if we made it to the point where right is smaller than I, then we just have to break our loop. So if we find, as I said, if we find 0, then we have to swap it to the starting of the array. If we find 1, then we have to just increment our current variable. Else, that is if we find any 2, then we have to swap it to the last position of the array. This should be it. I think this algorithm works. Yep. Hope you like this video. Comment and like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I will be back tomorrow with tomorrow's question on June LeetCode challenge. Thank you.